Hey guys, this is for first time home buyers. A little bit of a handyman special here for you. It's a ranch. Brings us right into North Brunswick. 7 rooms, 2 bedrooms, and a full bath. Sits on a 56 by 175 lot. And it has a 2-car garage with a huge workshop. Let's take it inside. Do a quick walkthrough for you. It does have a basement unfinished. This is perfect for the first time home buyer. A little bit of a handyman. And don't forget, guys, if you like what you see, need more info, shoot me a text, give me a call if you'd like to see it. All the information and contact information is in the description box. Close to your major roadways, close to shopping. Alright guys, that wraps things up here. Need more info, like to see it, just shoot me a text or give me a call. All the information is in the description box. Till next time, have a good one.